Falcon, a name that evokes images of speed and agility, is synonymous with the world's swiftest bird of prey. This incredible creature is a member of the Falconidae family, which includes more than 60 species. The falcon's sleek, aerodynamic body and long, pointed wings give it an edge in the sky. Its wingspan can reach up to 4 feet, and its weight typically ranges from 0.3 to 7 pounds, depending on the species. The falcon's wings are adapted for high-speed flight, with a wing shape that allows for rapid, powerful flapping and long, gliding periods. This unique design allows falcons to reach incredible speeds, with some species capable of flying at over 200 miles per hour. Falcons have exceptional vision, with a keen eyesight that can spot prey from miles away. They have a unique feature called the fovea, a part of the eye that provides them with a sharp, detailed vision. This makes them expert hunters, capable of capturing their prey in mid-air. Falcons are not just fast, they are also incredibly agile. They can make sharp turns and perform breathtaking aerial acrobatics, making them a joy to watch. This agility is not just for show, it helps them evade their own predators and catch their prey effectively. Falcons have a wide range of habitats, from deserts to tundra, and from coastal regions to mountains. They are found on every continent except Antarctica. Some species are migratory, traveling thousands of miles each year to find food and breeding grounds. Falcon feathers have been used for centuries in human culture. The ancient Egyptians used falcon feathers in their headdresses, and the falcon is a symbol in many cultures, representing speed, power, and courage. Today, falcon feathers are still used in archery and falconry, a traditional sport where people train falcons to hunt for them. In modern times, falcons have also found a place in technology. The Falcon 9, a reusable rocket developed by SpaceX, is named after these birds due to their speed and reusability. The Falcon 9 has revolutionized space travel, making it more efficient and cost-effective. In conclusion, the falcon is a marvel of nature, a bird that embodies speed, agility, and precision. From the skies to the space, this bird continues to inspire and astound us with its incredible abilities. Whether in the wild or in our culture, the falcon is a symbol of the power and beauty of nature.